Miss Narlene, can you tell me about yourself?
I'm Narlene G. Lapos. I'm 41 years old and I live in Maglimas, Bernal, Pampanga.
And what is your current marital status, ma'am?
I'm single.
Okay, do you have kids?
Yes, I have kids. I have one female and three boys.
Okay, ma'am. How many siblings do you have?
7 siblings and I'm the fourth one.
Okay. Tell me about your educational background, ma'am.
I'm a high school level.
Okay, ma'am. Can you please state the reason why you did not finish college?
My parents, they cannot support my study. So then they asked me to help our needs.
Okay, ma'am. Do you have work experience abroad?
Yes, I have experience working abroad in Taiwan as a machine operator. I start 2012 until 2025.
Okay, ma'am. Did you finish your contract?
Yes, I finished my contract.
Okay. What are your duties and responsibilities as a machine operator in Taiwan?
As a machine operator in Taiwan, make sure the machine every day to check is in a good term and make sure the thread is and code is right.
Okay, ma'am. How would you describe yourself?
As a mother, I know how to take care of the children with love, patience, and understanding. And I'm also a trans woman, and I always make sure that every corner is neat.
Okay. Do you have any tattoo in your body, ma'am?
No,
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
no.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad again because I have 4 children, so I have a dream that can finish the study until college. And someday when I'm elderly, I want to have own savings.
Okay, ma'am. Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No.
Okay, ma'am. Give me your idea. How can you take care of naughty children and children with tantrums?
First, I will stop, then breath and calm. And then I will talk to them in a voice calm. Then I will read a book about what affects with the naughty children. And I will show them that I love and care of them with enough praying of them and sing a song for them.
Okay, ma'am. Your last question. What is your message to your future employer?
Dear employer, I applying this for this job because I'm a hardworking, honest, and responsible person. I'm not afraid for every task, big or small. Even I'm not have a high education, but I have heart, patient, and to do job well. And I will promise I will finish my contract in 2 years. And if you your children, I will treat as my own. And if you have a rule and regulation, I will follow with honesty.